So, as far as training is concerned, at SIS SBS, we take a lot of efforts to train our students because the demand from the industry is changing over a period of time. There was a time where resume was important, but today, developing students' soft skills, they should be ready to face the GD round, which is an elimination round. We also take a lot of efforts to train them as far as, clearing a aptitude test is concerned. We also have a special session, one-to-one students for career counseling. So, where students are open with the counselor and explain their problems which they are unable to do with us as faculty members or maybe the placement head. As far as pharma and biotech students are concerned, so there was a time only core pharma roles used to come on campus, but today with AI, health tech companies coming on campus, roles for consulting, we also have advertising agencies coming. There is third party pharma agencies, right? So right from client servicing to consulting to analytics, to domains in even banks, are preferring pharma and biotech students and hospital management. So from core pharma roles, which were PMT, brand management, today they have a gamut of roles which they can participate. And as far as salaries are concerned, of course, there is no constraint. We also have international placements which we are working on, where students can be placed into international business jobs abroad. So packages have really gone up. If you see, last year the package for pharma was 11. So there used to be a time, highest package used to be 7-8. Today we have 11 and 15 lakhs. So of course, if the talent is good, there is no constraint as far as packages are concerned.